So, you know, normally at the end of every show, we try to tell you what's coming up on the next day. And yesterday when Dale and I were leaving and we said, tomorrow we talk about magnet fishing. And the two always said, so the fish stick to the magnet. And we couldn't figure out how you catch fish using a magnet. Well, it's not fish you catch. Or it's fish you catch. Morning.
No, not fish, not fish.
Ever heard of magnet fishing, folks? Well, Noel Smith has taken up this hobby and he joins me now to show us his catch. Morning, friend. Welcome to Smile.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm good enough.
Magnet fishing. Well, it's not really fishing, but
yeah.
Where this come from? How you found out about this in the first place?
Well, one day I was at my girlfriend's house and her brother was watching random YouTube videos. So I was there with him watching the TV and magnet fishing came on and I didn't know I was watching it until that video got skipped off the TV. So after it gets skipped, I said, wait, what is that? I need to learn more about this. Yeah, so I'm going to get it from my phone and start watch some video. I spend our next hour, I watch different videos of people doing magnet fishing. And it never really come to me about doing it. It's like, after a couple of months pass, and I said, what if nobody has do this in Jamaica? So I search it up in Jamaica, nobody at all do it. So I say, you know what, I'm going to be the first for try magnet fishing in Jamaica. And so I can find.
Where you went first?
First place was on Palisados, little after you pass the airport. On Palisados, never really catch anything except bush.
How big is the magnet?
Well, the first one that I had, it was really big, and the pulling force was about 3,000 pounds. If that stuck to something, you can't get it off. Can't get it off at all.
You remember what was the first thing you caught, for want of a better word?
The first thing is money.
Money?
Yeah.
As in coins?
Coins. So that was the first thing that's
stuck to the magnet?
Stuck to the magnet.
Like how much money, sir?
Just some few $20 and some all-time money downtown, like some old money. Red cent and some other old money from downtown.
And it's easy to just pull them back off after you pull them up?
No, you have to use something and scrape it off because when it's stuck to it, it's stuck to it.
So anything that's stuck to it, you can just pull it back off?
Some things not has as much surface area as some. Like for example, a bicycle, you know, it have the fine.
You catch bicycle?
Yeah, fine enough bicycle, enough bicycle.
What was the strangest thing?
The strangest thing I found was this.
This is a bicycle you bring it up?
Yes. This is flatbridge. I thought it was flatbridge.
A full bicycle?
Yes.
So somebody just get mad and fling with a bicycle?
Well, it's flatbridge, you know, so one bag of things are there.
What you mean one bag of some man ride off of the bridge?
people come in all the time and say, I need to try flatbridge. That's how comes I go there, you know.
So what's the strangest thing you found?
This soft, I don't know if I should call it a stone, but it was soft and it stuck to the magnet. Don't know what it is.
What do you mean you don't know what it is?
I don't know. It looked like a stone, but the outer layer is soft. And when you squeeze it, it breaks into two. And yeah, just like that.
So wait.
Well, leave it as is.
Man, that gold, you don't know.
No, I'm not gold. Gold don't stick to magnet.
Oh.
Yeah.
I never know that.
Yeah,
so you know that?
Because I try with a gold chain.
So, don't stick to it?
No, so that's why I'm getting the metal detector where I can find the gold.
So wait, why teach? What's why silver stick to it and gold don't stick to it? The teach go and search.
The compound, yeah.
Yeah, so bicycle. And I was reading in preparing for this that you actually found a safe once with stuff in there.
Yeah. So I found that day at downtown, I went there in the early morning, and in the early morning, the water was really calm and the water was clear. So I could see random things in the water I couldn't see usually before. I'm going downtown all the time, but I couldn't see the ground, I couldn't see what I throw, I just throw it randomly. But this time I could see things in the water. But the safe, I didn't know it was a safe because it was black.
That's it right there?
Yes, that is it. It was black.
Yeah.
So I didn't throw at the safe, you know. I throw out in the water, and while pulling it in, that's when I latch on to it.
How often you do this? Every day?
No, I usually do it every week, once a week, so I can post every week.
So all wallets, money in it?
No, I just random, no money never in that, but I found a card in it.
Oh,
There's a card.
credit card.
Yeah.
That's
And that
nice.
credit card was expired from 2017.
Wow. So why you doing this stuff? Where you doing this stuff? When you get
Some things are valuable. I keep it like the safe. I keep the safe. Cause after that day, it never opened again still. So I probably can't use it as something for store things, but it not open again.
But Clive just said that, let's say, in pure natural forms, gold, silver, aluminum, copper, brass, and lead are not magnetic. But you said the silver stick to it?
No, I never said silver. I said gold will stick to magnet.
No, that's what I said. But you said silver stick to it.
When you say silver?
Yeah, you know, say silver money.
Oh, the money.
Okay.
Unless the money actually don't make it a silver, then. But if every money at all will find, even money from England, what them call it?
Pound.
Even pound we find in the water.
Well, yeah,
that
pound
stick to
and
it.
shilling and all kind of thing.
Even that stick to it as well.
Legally, you can just take it and carry it to your yard? I don't know when the police come for
Well, I put it out and nobody knows nothing as yet.
You find a gun?
Yeah, I find a homemade gun out by Harborview, and the police take that on the spot.
What do you mean on the spot?
Because
they were there with you at the time?
No, when I found it, I was going to bring it to the station, but it just so happens that I drive past on the camera. While I record them, I drive past. I'm going to pull them over, let them know. Then I chose them, I say it's a spearfishing gun I find. And I said, no man, this don't look like a spearfishing gun. This
big gun?
No, it's like a
handgun.
Yeah, homemade handgun and thing.
What is the most expensive thing you think you ever found?
I found this ring that looked like a gold ring, diamond ring. Look like a diamond ring, cause I never tested. Most of the things I never test to confirm if them real or not. Cause I find them, I just store it up and things. Some of them can't find back, but I store up some things. The ring, I'm find it look like a diamond ring. It have a diamond at the center and the outside I change color. Whenever I actually scrape it or try and mash it or anything, I'm gonna have it here for test it in the later future.
So this is just a hobby for you. This is just fun for you. This is not a job.
No, I fun, I really.
And every weekend you do it.
Not every weekend, but most weekends. So either if I'm magnet fishing, I would do metal detecting just to change up the content a bit. So I would go inside of the water and search for anything that's underneath the water. Clean water though. Clean water that's visible. Because if the water is dirty and murky, you can't swim and it's going to affect me.
You can't swim, right?
Yeah, man, definitely. Even my first magnet, it fell, Blue Lagoon?
Yeah.
It fell to the bottom of Blue Lagoon and I had to scuba dive to get it back. 100 and something feet.
Yeah, that was just going to say that very deep.
Yeah, man, that well deep, man. 100 and something feet.
What is that we're looking at now? That is the magnet thing there?
The thing that is standing is the metal detector.
Yeah.
And the rope on the table is the magnet and a grappling hook.
Wow. Where are you going this weekend?
I want to go to Spanish Bridge with the metal detector.
Where is Spanish Bridge? Where's Spanish Bridge?
It is in St. Mary, but you have to drive from St. Anne to get to it.
Oh, you can't go through, you can't up the hill,
Stone
Junction, you can't go Junction.
Yeah, but you're going to end up in a St. Anne first, and then you know like a blue hole?
Yeah.
You have to drive that way and you go further.
Sound like fun to me.
Yeah, definitely.
Sound like fun. All right, sir. So Delia, now we know. It's not fish. No, we know. No, yesterday me and Delia try work out how this snapper hold on to the magnet. But yes. Now we know. All right, good to see you.
Yeah, man.
Hey, man, go on. So you put your little thing on your little channel and work out everything and people see what I want.
Yeah, everybody see what I go on, man. Everybody see from start to finish.
They say he's a magnet fishing enthusiast. And his name is Noel Smith. All right. Feel me, I'll start a little business and see if we can get it. After the break, Delia will be having a chat. It's 10 minutes to your health. Soon come.